No, I couldn't touch the bottom. I just started swimming, and then I started coming back out of just sheer fear.
It gets deep. We're going through a tunnel!
It's sketchy as fuck. I tried to wash this with this water. We brushed our teeth with this water. Washed our faces with that water. And Brian made some mashed potatoes and turkey. Master Chef Brian.
And then the journey began, and our flightless friends went off on the road. And on the right, you can see the sunrise.
The highway got real nice, and the cliffs started looking real nice, so we ended up just getting in the Colorado River. Alright, here would be like perfect.
Get a rock to put in front of it.
Are you hungry, little buddy? Here's a rock. Here's a rock. Eat it. Here you go.
Yeah, chop that branch. You have to tail it, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh, those kids are so cute. Wait, that's Grace and Brian.
We out here. Okay, it gets deep. It gets deep. It's scary. It's scary.
She said, we out here. Oh, it gets deep. It gets deep.
Good now?
Yeah, we did it.
We got what we wanted.
I mean, you were like, I definitely want to do some swimming. There it was, right? Dude, we just swam in that pretty much, like over there. First of all, hold
up. I gotta show you guys this real quick. Back to what we were getting to.
I really feel like we need to acknowledge how well paved Colorado roads are.
And maintain, because these bitches are not easy to build.
No potholes, there's no litter.
And I'm even surprised that we have cell phone service right now, because I haven't seen a telephone pole in like 20 months.
They're real discreet about that shit. What's the coolest shit you've ever seen in your life?
This. You're currently going through it at this point.
Dude, can we please go skydiving? I promise it'll be cooler.
I want to go.
Like, if I could promise you that it can be cooler than this, than what you're seeing right now. Like, you want to see that?
Yeah, I do. Trump's so smooth.
It's so smooth. No, it's the Colorado roads.
Yo, it's all that tax revenue from the weed.
Oh my god.
What it has.
Yeah, wait, how long has weed been legal in Colorado? Let's spit some facts for the people.
About 5 years since recreational marijuana was legalized.
And when's the last time they redid their roads? So weed has been legal in Colorado for 5 years, recreationally. And I mean, we have no way to prove this, but we think.
Dude, look at that dispensary out in the middle of nowhere.
We interrupt this program to bring you Courage, the Cowardly Dog Show, starring Courage, the Cowardly Dog. Abandoned as a pup, he was found by Muriel, who lives in the middle of nowhere.
Yep, that's how the roads are so nice. Dude, this water is like clean. Wow, I'm gonna drink it.
You guys totally judging me right now. I'm sorry, sir, but I don't live here.
Brian, you want to tell the people what that is?
This is an inflatable pillow.
So we're at White Buffalo Pub. Probably the coolest thing about the place is these badass seats.
Hey,
Grace.
Brian.
you know,
Grace.
this is a dream. You can do anything you want.
Yep.
I mean anything.
I feel like I'm riding a horse, baby. so nice. Except for the windshield. I guess this is like the middle class of Colorado. Of course, Brian had me peel him a fucking clementine while the most beautiful sights are being sought. Like, think about how many hundreds of thousands of years. Like, look at all the layers of rock. We are within the mountain. We're just scaling the mountain wall.
The reason I live in Colorado, you get in a car accident, you die.
We're going through a tunnel!
Your phone takes way better videos. I'm getting this, these bug guts.
Bug it?
Yeah, I'm getting them in HD. Oh my god. I just want to touch all these rocks.
Move your head.
Fuck you.
Move your fucking head.
Move your fucking head.
No, people, that's not the town center. That's just the ordinary thing. Go!
They're an advanced civilization. Oh, so you're like rich. Yeah. Mark my words.
You shut the fuck up, Rich.
I'm getting a house here.
I'm trying to take like a real peaceful video.
Well, I'm trying to take a nice peaceful video, but bitch ass Grace can't shut the fuck up.
Fuck you. Hey. Chili straight from the can.
I don't know what this is,
That's a Thanksgiving dinner.
and it's good. Okay. I'm liking this. Add a little bit more of this. Dude, if we could just heat this up right here, this would be perfect.
They only do charcoal fires here. We don't have charcoal.
Not even wood.
Also, our little stovetop is broken because we're missing a piece of it that no one sells by itself. We also have like tuna in this little bowl here and chips. Yeah, but these are mine. I'm not sharing them with them.
Those were mine. Those were from my dish.
Yeah, but it...
Yeah, but Julie, this is an editing part. Take all this shit out.
Julie, I love you so much.
What do you? We're not doing little shout out. Chill, dude.
Chill, bro.
The fuck you think this is? Or
Total Drama
survival.
Island. I would survive longer than you.
No, you wouldn't.
Yeah, I would.
You bitched out about eating this.
Switch with me, Paco.
I am feeling a little sick. Why'd you spill it everywhere?
Stop! Don't take the chips just because I'm vulnerable right now.
No, stop. Bro. These are mine for now. Does this have any meat in it? Not got any meat, right?
Definitely does.
Really? Or you no meat in them?
There's definitely meat in that.
Nope. No meat.
What? They fooled me. Eat all the mashed potatoes.
Okay.
You're a piece of shit.
You're talking about I ate all the mashed potatoes. I see some right there underneath.
Those are stuffing.
Okay, stuffing's better than mashed potatoes.
I wouldn't know. We were really scared earlier. We were like looking around. It's really dark. We're just driving up a canyon. Speed limit's like 15. And you're on like roads that just go like this.
Yeah.
And to the right is nothing. And to the left is like rocks.
Big
And you're
rocks.
scared. And we just started thinking about like the hills have eyes and just like, I don't know, getting
Murder
serial
situation.
killed. It's just a large open area to be murdered in. Wait, turn the camera off.
We've made it to the Colorado National Monument.
Where it's sketchy as fuck.
As you can see, right ahead we have a nice paved road. To my right, well, you can't really see it right now, but there's about like a 100-foot drop.
And this concludes the second day of the Colorado trip. Subscribe for more.